Welcome to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into the world of the most luxurious motorhomes arriving in 2026. 5 extraordinary machines from Rolls-Royce, Volvo, Mercedes-Benz, Brabus, and BMW. These are not just vehicles. They're rolling 5-star hotels with technology, craftsmanship, and performance that redefine what it means to travel in style. Each of these brands brings its own unique flair to the motorhome world, blending engineering excellence with comfort and design that only the very best in the automotive industry can achieve. Let's explore each one in depth, from their exterior presence to their sumptuous interiors, and the powertrains that make them glide down the road effortlessly. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is the epitome of opulence. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you realize it's a statement on wheels. The exterior features the brand's signature Pantheon grille, slightly reimagined for a larger motorhome body, flanked by laser-precision headlights with crystal-cut detailing. The long, flowing body panels are sculpted to perfection, with chrome inlays running along the sides to emphasize its length and elegance. Rolls-Royce has seamlessly integrated motorhome-specific features, retractable side balconies, concealed storage compartments, and a panoramic glass roof that stretches nearly the entire length of the vehicle. The paintwork alone is a masterpiece, with multi-layer, hand-polished finishes that can be custom-tailored in virtually any hue, often incorporating subtle metallic flakes or even bespoke pinstriping by the marque's artisans. Stepping inside, the interior is a realm of unparalleled luxury. Hand-stitched leather from the finest hides covers nearly every surface, complemented by rich veneers and exotic woods, brushed aluminum accents, and crystal elements. The lounge area resembles a private yacht salon with deep, cushioned seating that can be reconfigured into sleeping areas. There's a full gourmet kitchen equipped with high-end appliances, including an induction hob, wine cooler, and a concealed dishwasher. The bedroom suite offers a king-sized bed with a bespoke mattress, ambient lighting, and noise-canceling technology to ensure perfect rest. The bathroom is more like a private spa, with marble surfaces, a rainfall shower, and heated floors. Rolls-Royce has also packed the motorhome with advanced tech, a fully integrated infotainment system, voice-activated controls, adaptive ambient lighting, and even a discreet but powerful surround sound system tuned by audio experts. Under the hood, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a hybrid-assisted V12 engine, delivering immense torque and whisper-quiet performance. The air suspension system adapts automatically to road conditions, ensuring that the ride remains as smooth as silk. Despite its size, steering is remarkably precise, thanks to rear-wheel steering technology. Long-distance cruising is effortless, with adaptive cruise control and advanced lane-keeping assistance, making journeys less tiring. For those who demand the ultimate in exclusivity, Rolls-Royce offers nearly limitless customization, from monogrammed upholstery to rare gemstone inlays. Next is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a model that embodies Scandinavian design philosophy. Clean, minimalist, and highly functional, with a strong emphasis on safety and sustainability. The exterior lines are sleek yet purposeful, with aerodynamic contours that improve efficiency. The front fascia features Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, integrated seamlessly into a bold grille that retains a premium yet understated appearance. Large panoramic windows along the sides provide not only aesthetic appeal, but also flood the interior with natural light. The body panels use lightweight composite materials to reduce weight, and a solar panel integrated roof enhances off-grid capability. Inside, the Volvo Motorhome offers a calm, uncluttered space, designed around the principles of high comfort, warmth, and simplicity. The materials are eco-conscious, with responsibly sourced wood, recycled fabrics, and plant-based leathers. The main living space has modular furniture that adapts to different needs, from lounging to dining to sleeping. The kitchen is compact, but highly efficient, with energy-saving appliances and intelligent storage solutions. The bedroom is designed as a tranquil retreat, with large windows and blackout blinds for perfect light control. The bathroom offers a spacious shower, water-saving fixtures, and antibacterial surfaces for hygiene. Performance-wise, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is driven by a fully electric powertrain, with a range exceeding 500 kilometers on a single charge. Fast charging capability and regenerative braking make it practical for long-distance journeys. Volvo's advanced driver assistance systems, including pilot assist and collision avoidance, make driving safer and less stressful. The ride is comfortable and composed, with air suspension ensuring stability even on uneven roads. It's an environmentally conscious choice without sacrificing comfort or capability. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome takes German engineering to the road in the most sophisticated way. The exterior design exudes prestige, with a bold three-pointed star on a chrome-trimmed grille, LED matrix headlights, and sculpted body lines that give it a sense of motion even when parked. The side profile features flush-mounted slide-outs for increased interior space, and the paint finishes are deep, glossy, and immaculately applied. Mercedes offers several body configurations, from streamlined touring models to extended luxury liners with rooftop terraces. Inside, it's all about craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Leather upholstery, real wood trims, and customizable ambient lighting create an atmosphere of refined elegance. The cockpit is inspired by Mercedes luxury sedans, with a widescreen digital dashboard, MBUX infotainment, and haptic touch controls. The living quarters are spacious, with multiple seating configurations, a gourmet kitchen, a master bedroom, and a spa-like bathroom. The integration of smart home features allows control of lighting, climate, and entertainment from a tablet or voice command. Power comes from a choice of diesel hybrid or all-electric drivetrains, both engineered for smooth, efficient cruising. Mercedes Airmatic suspension delivers impeccable ride quality, while advanced safety systems like active distance assist and active lane change make it one of the easiest large motorhomes to drive. It's built for those who want comfort, performance, and reliability in equal measure. Brabus, known for pushing performance and luxury to the extreme, brings its unique touch to the 2026 motorhome scene. The Brabus Motorhome is aggressive and bold, with a muscular stance, wide body kit, carbon fiber accents, and 22-inch forged wheels. The signature Brabus badging and distinctive LED lighting elements make it instantly recognizable. This is a motorhome that commands attention everywhere it goes. The interior is a blend of high performance, aesthetics, and ultra-luxury materials. Carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leathers dominate the cabin. Brabus has added sports-inspired seating, customizable LED mood lighting, and a high-end audio system. The layout focuses on both comfort and entertainment, with large screens, gaming setups, and premium kitchen equipment for long trips. The sleeping quarters are plush yet modern, and the bathroom is sleek, with metallic finishes and advanced fixtures. Performance is where Brabus truly shines. Powered by a heavily tuned V8 or V12 engine, the motorhome delivers sports car levels of acceleration, an adaptive suspension that keeps it planted, and upgraded braking systems for maximum control. Despite its size, it's incredibly responsive, making it perfect for drivers who don't want to compromise on excitement. Finally, the 2026 BMW Motorhome blends sportiness with luxury in a way only BMW can. The exterior design carries the brand's dynamic styling cues: a large kidney grille, slim laser headlights, and flowing lines that convey motion. Aerodynamic shaping reduces drag, while retractable steps and integrated storage keep the look clean. BMW offers a range of bold colors and M-Sport-inspired trim packages for those who want extra flair. Inside, The BMW Motorhome is driver-focused yet luxurious. The cockpit has a digital driver display, a curved infotainment screen, and controls angled toward the driver, a nod to BMW's heritage. The living spaces combine sporty elegance with comfort, using premium materials, sculpted furniture, and high-tech features. Ambient lighting adapts to driving mode, while the kitchen and bathroom maintain a clean, modern aesthetic. Underneath, BMW offers a choice of hybrid and all-electric drivetrains, both tuned for engaging driving dynamics. Adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and precise steering response make it more agile than expected. The iDrive system integrates seamlessly with the living area, allowing full control of entertainment, climate, and navigation. For those who want a motorhome that feels as good to drive as it does to live in, BMW delivers. Each of these 2026 motorhomes redefines the luxury travel experience in its own way. Rolls-Royce focuses on unmatched opulence and craftsmanship, Volvo on sustainability and serenity, Mercedes-Benz on a perfect balance of tech and comfort, Brabus on performance and boldness, and BMW on driving pleasure and modern luxury. Together, they show that the future of motorhomes isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about making every mile an experience worth savoring. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of a Rolls-Royce, the clean sophistication of a Volvo, the engineering precision of a Mercedes-Benz, the adrenaline rush of a Brabus, or the dynamic flair of a BMW, the 2026 lineup has something extraordinary for every kind of traveler. These aren't just vehicles. They're a lifestyle on wheels, proof that the journey can be every bit as rewarding as the destination. Each of these 2026 motorhomes redefines the luxury travel experience in its own way. Rolls-Royce focuses on unmatched opulence and craftsmanship, Volvo on sustainability and serenity, Mercedes-Benz on a perfect balance of tech and comfort, Brabus on performance and boldness, and BMW on driving pleasure and modern luxury. Together, they show that the future of motorhomes isn't just about getting from one place to another. It's about making every mile an experience worth savoring. Whether you're drawn to the elegance of a Rolls-Royce, the clean sophistication of a Volvo, the engineering precision of a Mercedes-Benz, the adrenaline rush of a Brabus, or the dynamic flair of a BMW, the 2026 lineup has something extraordinary. For every kind of traveler, these aren't just vehicles. They're a lifestyle on wheels, proof that the journey can be every bit as rewarding as the destination.